What if somebody had died tonight? Different story, right? Because that's on you. And if you died, I feel like that's on me.
I don't know what's happening. I don't know. I don't want to go. I don't want to go, sir. Please. Please, I don't want to go. I don't want to go. Sorry.
Lost the kid.
I must have passed out because I woke up and you were gone, but Dr. Strange was there, right? He was like, it's been 5 years, come on, they need us. And then he started doing the yellow sparkly thing that he does all the time. What are you doing?